Hello, welcome to Study Circle. Today we are going to read Class 6 Geography, Chapter 7, Major Landforms of the Earth. Landform is a natural feature of the Earth's surface. The surface of the Earth varies from one place to another place. The main landforms are mountains, plateaus, and plains. There are two processes which lead to formation of different landforms: internal process, and external process. Internal process. The movement of Earth's surface result in internal process. The internal process result in portion of Earth's surface getting elevated or getting sunk. External process. Continuous wearing down and rebuilding of Earth's surface is the result of external process, like erosion. Erosion. Removal of material is called erosion. Erosion results in lowering of the Earth's surface. It carried out by various agents like wind and water. Deposition. Deposition of material result in rebuild of Earth's surface. It also results in the surface getting elevated. Wind and water are main agents of deposition. Glacier. Permanently frozen rivers of ice are called glaciers. Glaciers are found in some of the very high mountains. A mountain is the natural elevation of the Earth's surface. It may be narrow at top and broad at the base. The elevation of mountain is considerably more than that of surrounding area. Temperature reduces with increase in altitude. Due to this, very high mountains are usually covered with snow. Population at mountains. Because of steep slope, less amount of land is available for farming on mountains. This is also difficult to build houses on steep slopes, hence less number of people lives on the mountains. Mountain ranges. When mountains are arranged in a line, it is called a mountain range. Some of mountain system contain ranges spread over hundreds of kilometers. Type of mountains. There are three types of mountains, usually fold mountains, block mountains, and volcanic mountains. Fold mountains. When a tectonic plate gets pressure from two sides, it gets folded. Some of its portion becomes elevated and forms the mountains. The depressions from the valleys, the Himalayas, the Andes, and the Alps are examples of fold mountain. The Himalayas, the Andes, and the Alps are examples of fold mountains. Block mountains. When large areas are broken and displaced vertically, block mountains are formed. In this case, the uplifted blocks are called horsts. Volcanic mountains. A mountain formed due to volcanic activity is called volcanic mountain. Example of volcanic mountains are Mount Kilimanjaro and Mount Fujiyama. Importance of mountains. Mountains are rich sources of water. Many important rivers originated from glaciers on mountains. River valleys and terraces are ideal for cultivation. Mountains are rich in flora and fauna. Mountains provide many forest produce like wood, herbs, medicinal plants, honey, caoutchouc, etc. These are also ideal tourist spots. Plateau. Plateau is a flat and elevated land. It is at higher elevation than the surrounding areas. It may have one or more sides with steep slopes and can be young or old. The height of plateau can be from a few hundred meters to several thousand meters. Importance of plateau. Plateaus are rich in mineral deposition. Many mining belts in the world are located in plateau areas. Most of the mining areas in India are the Chotnagpur Plateau in Jharkhand, Odisha, and Chhattisgarh. The African plateau is famous for mines of gold and diamonds. Plains. Plains are flat lands are generally not more than 200 meters above mean sea level. Some plains are extremely level while others are maybe slightly rolling or undulating. Importance of plains. Plains are usually highly fertile and hence most ideal for cultivation. It is very easy to make transport network in the plains. Due to above mentioned factors, plains are best areas for human habitation. Most of the densely populated areas of the world are in plains. The Indo-Gangetic Plains in India is among the most densely populated regions of the world. Landforms and the people. Humans have been living in most of the terrains. Life is difficult in mountain areas because of rugged terrain. Hence, mountain areas are sparsely populated. Life is somewhat easier in plateaus compared to in mountains and is the easiest in the plains. In all types of terrains, natural calamities always pose threat. Earthquake, storms, and floods can hit any area. Volcanic eruption can be potential risk in areas near volcanic activity. But people need to learn to live with natural disaster. Proper precautions can save life and property in case of natural disaster. The interesting fact of this chapter is Swachh Bharat Mission is healthy mind lives in healthy body, and for a healthy body clean environment, particularly clean water, air and hygienic surroundings are prerequisites. Swachh Bharat Mission, a Government of India program, aims to achieve all these for peoples. Mauna Kea in Hawaii in the Pacific Ocean is an undersea mountain. It is higher than Mount Everest, being 10,205 meters high. Thank you.